G'day folks, I just bought this 2013 Ford Edge and didn't come with a manual or anything, and couldn't figure out how to operate the keyless door pad. So anyway, you can change codes, but you need the administrator number to be able to do anything. So anyway, I'd like to commend the guy on YouTube where I found this, but I can't find him now for the life of me. So anyways, it's pretty easy. If the guy sees this, I remember him saying it was going to cost him $40 at the dealership just for them to get this code, the administrator code, to operate your door pad, the keyless door pad. So anyways, this is so easy it's not even funny. So here it goes. All it is go under the dash to your left side. Okay, I don't need to remove anything at all. We'll get her here. See that right there? A little sticker there. Some people gotta, take the fuse panel cover off and all that. Mine's totally exposed. You see that? 94926. Alright. Now, excuse me, I'm having a cigarette here and having a beer. Anyways, grab the key. Okay. And here's another thing I just learned. To lock it, just got to press the 8 and 9 button at the same time. Boom. She's locked. You hear that? So here we go. 9, 4, 9. Oh, I screwed up. Do it again. 9, 4, 9, 2, 6. There we go. She's open. Simple as that. Unbelievable. Lock it again. You heard that? 9, 4, 9, 2, 6. Boom. Gotta like it. Gotta like it. Very, very easy. Hope that helps some of you guys out there. Like I said, this is a 2013 Ford Edge. Just look up there to your left under the dash. Look for that little sticker. Disregard the L at the end of it. And there's your code.